In not very pleasant news for the Indian cricket team, chilly winds and dark clouds have taken over Manchester. After day 3, which was bright and sunny and not a spot of dark grey clouds in the sky, the darkness has taken over as soon as day 3 ended. The forecast doesn't look very good for day 4 and day 5, which day 4 at least could be India's day to bat, and India did find it very difficult when they batted under clouds on the opening day. When England opted to bowl first, conditions were tricky to bat, and India did give us very good application in the top 3, but they weren't able to convert it into a big total. Now, if India get to bat on day 4, the forecast is there for rain. Dark clouds, as I said, have taken over. Chilly winds have taken over. And this could get a bit tricky for the Indian cricket team, who are already playing catch up in this test. The weather forecast doesn't look too bright for the Indian cricket team. Why I say that? Because teams have generally found it difficult when dark grey clouds take over. The ball tends to do a bit, and we saw that from Jofra Archer and Chris Wokes in the first innings. Even Ben Stokes was getting that exaggerated movement when the sky above turned in favor of the fast bowlers, but that wasn't the case when India operated with the ball. It was bright and sunny throughout the day today, and there was some odd help for the spinners, but nothing in it for the fast bowlers. They toiled hard. Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj, Anshul Kamboj, Shardul Thakur didn't get enough support and assistance from the conditions above and the pitch underneath, but all that could change starting day 4, because now with the rain, the moisture will seep into the surface and the pitch could get spicier than usual. So let me leave you with some visuals of the Manchester cricket ground and see how the rain is slowly pouring down now. And this is not good news for the Indian cricket team. This is not good news for the Indian cricket team, because they would have wanted to bat to stay alive in the contest with a good batting show, and now with the weather forecast, things don't really look good, and it's getting trickier for the Indian cricket team. The tour is getting more and more challenging, and they would feel a tad unlucky, but that is international cricket. You have to take it with a pinch of salt. And for India, it has been tough. It has been tough on the tour with the injuries, with the weather conditions, with how weather has completely changed when it was their turn to bat and not when they were bowling, just like it happened in Manchester. And even when the weather changed in Leeds, when it was overcast, not much happened off the surface, and there was a lot of rough for the spinners to exploit, but not much happened for the quicks. So let's see what happens on day 4. But right now, day 4, the dark clouds have taken over, and the forecast looks not ideal, and rain is possible to play some sort of role on day 4 and day 5 of the Manchester Test at Old Trafford Cricket Ground.